Testing 1 2, testing. There's a low delay going on here. It's not even that bad. It's like maybe 5-10 seconds. It's pretty good. I'm gonna put myself on Instagram, my Instagram story. What's the link here? Copy link. Should be good. Let's start. Wonder who's gonna watch. I don't know if this is working or not. Very laggy. Alright. Should be live here. So, gotta turn myself down. I can hear myself twice. So last night my brother and I were working on this. He did the majority of it. He went around with World Edit and did this, and we worked on this. I added in the portal. He did the majority of it though. It's pretty cool. Right now, I added a bunch of plugins and I did some coding. I finally got the auction house working, so now you can use /AH. So you can see all of the different things you can add to an auction house. Here, let's go back. This is just the specific categories, but you can click on all auctions and it's the same thing. So last night I put this on here just to test. I actually used a plugin, but I edited it and I changed the original the person who created the original kind of UI here. For some reason decided that it would be smart to make it cost 500 just to put it in the auction. So I removed that, so now it's 0. Didn't make too much sense to me. So currently what I'm about to do is I'm going to move my commands over here. I was actually working on this sensor command. So basically this command will allow the person at this specific location to execute something. So this one is going to spawn a redstone block, and I use these as temporary coordinates, and these redstone blocks will activate another command, and this command will either be for this text that comes up on the screen. So before I actually had it set up where you would walk across string here, But I didn't think it looked very nice, and I don't really want that for the spawn. I don't want string to be here to activate it, so we're gonna make it a little bit more complicated with this. So I'm basically gonna move all of these up into this little cave over here, and I'm gonna have everything set up over here. Just checking to see if anybody's gonna watch. Alright, I was just fixing something here. Okay, we're back. So, before I get into the setup of these commands, I think it would probably be smart to go over what I did yesterday. So, I finally added the rank system in, and what's cool is now in the chat, when I write something, it actually says my rank. Now, this works for all of them, so let's change my rank here. So, I think it's LP user. Spider parent, I believe. Set. Okay, so look, now we can change. So let's say you're a default and you start the world. This is what's gonna, the first person, when you spawn in the world for the first time, or I mean, this is the default, so this will always be like this unless you rank up or whatever. So we have it say member instead of default over here. So in the chat I can write hi and, or whatever I just wrote, and it still says member. So it's pretty cool. So you can see before I was the owner, now I'm member. I may change these colors. I don't know if I like the colors very much um, for the actual ranks. So here, this is gray. This is fine. Um, so let's say I want to change my rank back. What it will do. I'll show you the other ones actually. So let's say I was a VIP. So now it shows here. I thought I changed this. That's fine. I'll fix that. So VIP over here, and then in chat I'll say hi. It should be a different color because these are matching now. I think I had it set as purple before. I had it set as purple before. So now that's incorrect, so we'll fix that. But it's pretty cool to see it here and in the chat. Before it was just here. Um, but obviously I'm the owner of the server, so we'll put owner back. The only real difference is that basically, let's say the default is the parent group. All of these other ones, so all of these here, the admin, default, owner, and VIP, they all have the same parent group as default, meaning that default, every ability from default is in all of these, except each one increases the permissions. So VIP, I believe, just has, right now, just has an additional fly command, so you can do /fly. I'll probably add other things. And then I actually need to fix this. So originally admin was the max. I didn't have owner yet. So admin I'm going to change, but currently it has every permission. So we'll actually take a look at that real quick. So if we do /p editor, LP editor, you get I get a link here. So I can open up the direct editor here. And we can take a look here. So current, here, let me do this. I always forget to do this and then it doesn't work properly, so now the editor window is connected. So if we take a look here, if you look here at this star, this basically gives every single permission in the game to this person. I actually want to get rid of that. I'm going to keep it like this for now since my brother's also working on it and he's not going to be owner because obviously I'm the owner. So I might change this, just not yet. I will change this for sure, just not yet. I'll either keep this whole thing and then take away permissions, which is probably smarter, or I'll add individual permissions. I think I'll probably like here. Let me show you how to do this. So for admin, I what do I not want from admin? Let's think about this for a second. I mean, really, they should have almost all the permissions. Um, Really sure what I would want them not to have. Well, let's just say we don't want them to have ban. I mean, I can change this. I probably do want to give them the ban permissions, but oops, I have caps lock on. Let's say I don't want them to have ban permissions. I could put ban. Um, and let's say I don't want them to be have this ability. I can set it to false, and then when I add it in, now they can't ban people if they're admin. So I'll apply, and something should come up here. Oh, is it just gonna directly change? Oh, cool! I set it. Oh, nice. I didn't have to reload it. Cool. I did it once, and now it's just changing. Nice. So let's do. I didn't know I could do that. Let's change. So now let's try it out. Admin, and then we'll try slash ban. And does it come up? Now if I'm gonna do slash ban as a permission that I want to take away, I probably can't have ban IP or ban list or whatever. It's probably the same thing. But now we don't have that. Set myself back as owner. That's cool. You know what? While I just since I just figured out I can directly edit it, let me go to admin and I want to change this color. Let's try something random just to test it out. So now we have it at 9. We'll apply, save. Now when it goes back, I'm gonna change myself back to admin. I want to see. Perfect. So now it's a different color. I don't know if I like that color, but at least we have it now. But I had something here. Happy. Now see how why are these all the same color now? Strange. I don't know what happened there. It's weird. Change that too. So we'll do, VIP. Oh, I did that. VIP, let's say. Let's give it a value of 7. Now these values actually come directly from Minecraft. They have, color codes. And these, I'm not really sure what these color codes are on the top of my head, so that's why I'm kind of just putting random stuff now. I'm kind of just testing it because I didn't realize that I could do it directly like this. I thought I had to reload every time, which is what I've been doing. So VIP. Oh, hey, why is it? Lovely, I picked the perfect one, gray. I really should. You know what? Let's just look up Minecraft color codes. Color. Oops. Color codes. Color codes and formats. All right, here we go. Six. 6 is gold. 7's yellow. This doesn't make any sense. I thought I set it. Did I set it to 7? I thought I set it to 9. Oh, that's okay. Oh, 9 was the other one. That makes sense. All right, so we'll make. We'll go back to that later. I don't really know what I want to change the color to. Okay, the original thing I was talking about is. Where did I put it? I was breaking into the side of a mountain here. Here it is. Let me just kill. Oh, hostile. Too many mobs in this area. Let's do it a few times. Let's do dash time. Set day. That's crazy, that comment. Funny. I didn't know you had a YouTube channel. Alright, so where is it? Keep forgetting where I put it. I gotta have a better way to do this. So we're gonna set up the command in here. Now, oh damn it, I hope I copied it. Okay, good, I didn't break the block. I thought I did break that. So we have this here. We'll keep this. We gotta copy it, so control A, control C. And I take that over there. So now I thought I saw a command block over there, it's just a pig. So now when we put this in here, we'll set it up. This has this in here, now we'll have to change that obviously. We'll change it to like right here. Or maybe we'll put it 2 apart just to keep it safe to make sure we have. We'll have this go. So we have that position already set. So all we have to do is get this position here. So we just have to get the coordinates set up. Oops. Go here. Now we have the coordinates over here. So all we have to do is replace this with 15, 96, and 26. So now what should happen is if we stand, you know what, let me just change these first coordinates too. I can always fix it later, but it'll make it easier so I don't have to keep going back and forth. So this is gonna be, let's move back a bit just in case it thinks it's 1 block away or something. So we'll set this up as 218. 218. 96. Oops. Why is this glitchy? Negative 28. We'll just have that there. So now what should happen is if I believe if I set this up properly, if I walk over here. Okay, that didn't work. Did I do that opposite? I might have flipped that on accident. To go down. Okay, I totally did. Oops. Now if I back, did I? Okay, no, I'm just, something's wrong with this then. Okay. Execute at a instance point 1. I have no idea what you just commented. Alright. I think I need to, if I want it to set up where I'm standing here. Execute. Yeah, we're just gonna break this block. I've got nothing in there. Ah! Wait, it didn't work. It just went behind here. Lovely. Alright, that worked. I just set it up wrong. So I definitely just did the coordinates wrong. I thought it was, that's pretty funny. Alright. So I've got it to be 1 block over. Or, I want it to be here. 215, 96, negative. Can I add 0.5? I can't. Why is it like that? So maybe it's gotta be. Oh, perfect. Or not perfect, but it's much closer. So 216 we'll use, and then we'll make this 26 or 27 maybe. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right. So now we can have that point, which will get this one. That's perfect. So the sensor is set up. So you have to be within 1 block. Does that work if I do like 0.5? Will it make it so it's not? exactly 1.5 or point, yeah. Or is it just gonna? Oh, did I set it up right here? How close can I get? So I can go all around it, I think, and it's not gonna work. But if I go on it, oh, wait, this one or this one? I'm so confused. Strange. What's going on here? Alright, we're gonna have to fix this. 216. Let's do it. Oh, here. We will set this up. 17.5, so let's keep it negative 218. So make this 27, I guess. Oh, we're probably gonna have to adjust this so it's a bigger distance because it's being very weird like that. We'll just set it to 1. Delete that. I think this just basically means it's on this block directly. So it's gotta be in these 4. Cool, okay. Good to know. So just to clarify, the whole reason I'm doing this is because I want at spawn over there. Um, so I guess we need the corner facing this way. So this is going to be this corner. Let me just take a picture of it so I don't forget. So we'll set this up so this corner over there, it's facing this way, is the main area that spawns it. And I guess if you're anywhere on this platform, it should work. So this will be bedrock over there. Now from there, we'll have it activate this block, which will create this over here. We'll create text on the screen, which is exactly what I wanted. Let me just confirm this is what I want. So I'll control and see. So we have this now. So this is the first one. Now this won't, I believe it'll probably interact with this command I put over there. We're gonna have to change this block here to this. Each redstone in place. And now, oh shit. Lovely. So now what should happen is, there we go. Okay, why did that set up both? Set up both? Is it because it's a I don't know why that happened. Or is it because this sets off? It might be. What is this command? This is basically just a timer command. So this will go off. So now, if I have this correctly, okay, perfect. Now we're gonna have to find a way to break this because this sets it off, but it doesn't break it. So we'll figure that out. We're gonna need to make this always active. Repeat. So now when I go here, okay, have that always active. Turn it off now. When I walk, so now when I walk on it, it holds it there. Does that literally work? Does it work? First try? Let's see. I think this 10 just in case. I'm gonna test the speed of this. What if it's like that? Gotta make sure I didn't have a command set up to that already. I might have it here. No, that's not it. Oh, is this it? No, strange. Interesting. So we're at spawn. We walk up. Wiggle. Is this? Let's change it. Guess we'll mess with that part later. I don't really know. It seems to not be messing with it. So we'll have this. This doesn't really matter what this is. I can actually just move this, Control C. So we'll put this in the corner for now. So now it should still work. Oh shit. Oh wait, no, it's because I didn't always activate it. Okay, that works. So now we'll have that there. And then when that spawns in, we'll have the other ones around it. So now it'll spawn in here, and then I can get that one going, and then all the other ones that I wanted. So we'll set this up here. We got this one. So I hope it's not the same that I just copied. It might have been. Probably is. Or what I think it was. Thought I had the same one. E, lowercase e. There. It should also work. We'll have to break that up. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna eventually have to have something activates and then put like Peter or something that maybe will lengthen the pulse. So this will redstone maybe. So right now, basically what I'm doing is so I created this sensor, it'll walk on there, and then this will slowly activate, and then within, let's try to make it like maybe 5 seconds, it will break this block, which will make it so other people, we can't do 5 seconds, it's gotta be less than that. Or, yeah, we're gonna have to make this We'll give this like 5 seconds and then we'll set it something else that'll break this. Or not even 5 seconds. So this activates that. We'll actually have to make it like 1 second, right? Yeah, that'll work. Put that there, there. It'll activate that. There we go. Can't I just make this the one that breaks the block? Left. Set block. Block. And then we'll do air. Where this is. Block air. So the redstone is being placed here. So all we need to do is use these exact coordinates. So I'll take a picture here real quick. And then I'll take these coordinates and put that over here for air. So it'll fill this block with air and it'll reset. So we'll do negative 216, oops, 216, 96, and then negative 27. And then we'll put air. Hopefully that works. It does. Now that should be good. So now, hopefully what will happen is as soon as I walk over here, I think I have to walk on it and then, yeah. We might have to let it sit for a second. We might have to put the, have to put that here. Try like that. So that works, but if I'm standing on it, will glitch out. I mean, that works. What's going on here? I wonder why it does that. I mean, I know it powers the block, but how come? Let's do this. Maybe it's about the ticks. Why didn't that We'll have to put this back here maybe. Try that again. No, we'll have it this so we walk through. Now what happens if I just stand on it? It'll eventually work, it's just glitchy. I mean, that's alright for temporary. I mean, when people spawn in, they'll spawn in here and hopefully they'll move. That works. So as long as they're not sitting there for too long, there should be a delay. Is there a way to delay this? Can I do run? Is there a way to combine this? Maybe make a chain? Not really sure. So I guess this is okay for now. This will definitely work for the teleport part. We'll have it set up where we can go on here and it'll teleport. That part, what I'm talking about, is over here. And currently, basically, you walk up to it and it's delayed quite a bit, but it's an RTP command. So now, in a second, but it's moving a little slower than usual. Yeah, why is it? We're definitely gonna RTP though, because if you notice, it's not making any noise. There we go. So now it's just loading and then it would RTP. This is gonna work for, we'll probably make multiple portals that will go to different worlds. So we'll have it set up where it'll not just randomly teleport, it'll immediately teleport because it has a specific coordinate location. This is so slow because the way it's set up is you've got these commands running. where it's a spread player command, so it's between 500 blocks and 2,500. And since it's not like a plugin command, or plugin code, it takes longer just because the game is trying to find a place. Now, if you wanted to just do /RTP, it'll be immediate, and that's just because it's this is a part of a plugin, so it's quick. So we'll do /hub. That's one thing I also set up yesterday. We can just use /hub and we're here. So that's pretty cool. We'll be able to use this mechanism over here. And it won't be an issue with this glitchy screen thing because all we're doing is teleporting. So you'll immediately teleport. Why did I do that? So how come the do/hub isn't glitching out? Let's see, where's do/hub? Is it this one? Oh. It's just because it's the action bar? Did I use @p for this? @p text. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, back here, because if you notice, when I walk over this, this doesn't have any issues. It's just this top one. Is it because I have a command set up somewhere? Let's see. Oh, maybe it's because there's no poppin slash. What was it called? Why am I? It's title, right? It's the or title at p, and then we want this to be times, I think, and then we'll do. Let's make it 0, 10, 0, or 10, 0. There's no fade. We'll make this always active. Repeat. So when you walk on it, it pops up immediately. Okay, that makes it so much better. Oh, perfect. All right, we got this. Oh, it's because I made this too long. 10. Wait, is it? What's that? Okay, well, that kind of worked. 10. No, not 10. 0, but let's make this like 20. I wonder why it's just blinking away. Is it because it's just set so low in general? 50, maybe? Maybe 50/50? Yeah, it's just blinking. That's strange. Like this, 100, and then 20. Okay, so this isn't working. I think impulse is what it has to be. Title. Can I change this? No. Title. P times. What does reset do? Fade in, stay. Why is this creating such an issue? I wonder if I have something else going on here that I forgot about. Why don't we just have this? A, C, over here. Shoot. What did I just do? Pretty sure this was the breaking command. Slash set block there. Fetch block. $2.16. Okay, I got the command. Set block -2.16. Set in there. This work. This works. Okay. Perfect. 50. Why didn't that work? No, good. Okay, we got it working. So I guess this just needs to be attached. Okay, that works. Is it 10? Is it immediate? Okay, yeah, both are immediate. So we've got that running. We've got oops, get back here. So we'll put, I think I have another one here that I want to make sure I add. Get back here. We have that. So the reason why they're here, oh shit. I don't know if that works. Alright, that's fine. We can add, we'll figure it out. So now, let's test it. So what happens if I just have this, I'm just standing on this, will it just hold? Or will it still disappear? I know it's just gonna hold. Okay. Step off it. Disappear. Nice. Okay, cool, that works. Now this is necessary. Now this is the spawn, so nobody's gonna really be over here, so it doesn't really matter if this is extended out like that. It's fine. It's gonna be hidden anyway. Okay. So now we're gonna have to set up this exact same setup like over here so we can do teleportations. Let's just expand this now. God, I wasn't really on it. Right. So currently we have this set up. So it's a sensor. Good. The portal for. I will get my headphone just died. Alright, we're back. Let me turn down this music because it's a little loud. Okay. So far we have the sensor. Now we're gonna need. Oh damn it! I forgot what it was. It's gonna suck. So we have walk to the portal for RTP. Go to hub. Oh, it was ordo/RTP. We'll set that up. That's fine. Alright. We don't want this as a title, we want this as subtitle. Yeah, but there we go. All right, that worked. All right, so we want this to be down there though. So originally I had the coordinates set. Oh wait, I'm done. It's over here. So I have the coordinates set. So this is where the block is placed, which is perfect. But we need to adjust these coordinates. So we're going to go over there, get the coordinates, and then come back. So we remember earlier I said that I want this in the top corner. So I want to get like in the block pretty much. And we can adjust later on if necessary, but it should be like here. It'll probably have that. I'll just take a picture of the coordinates. So now we can readjust this. So we'll do it's 260. These may need to be slightly adjusted just because the coordinates may be a little bit off. 60, 18. I don't know, it's like closer to -20. Can't do decimals. Try this. Works, but is it right on the block? Enter there, good. Cool, alright. So we got the first kind of thing working, and we can always adjust the text or whatever over here. Now I want to change this here. So now I don't remember. So yeah, I don't remember if how these work. Like I don't know if you need to be above the block for this to work. Oh wait, no, this is probably just coordinates where I'm at now, or like close to where I'm at. Oops. Okay. Yeah. All right. We're gonna do that. I think this should work. I just. Okay, we'll try this. We're gonna have to copy this. Control A, C. Okay. Why did that say 0? There we go. Okay. So this is done. And let's just make this bigger. So I'll do this separately. We're gonna have to make another one of these. Control NT and the redstone block. This is going to be different coordinates. The point on the block. I think this is probably good. Now we need. Oh wait, no, it's the one over here. So LV, and then we need to adjust this to 15. It actually might be 16 also. 22. Hope this works. And then we'll have to make this different, but for now let's do like let's do a /give just to test it out. /give and spider wood. Where's all this other stuff? Stone. One. So this is just a test. I know not normally gonna work with this. Let's try this. So this is gonna be the same spot as this probably. Did I do that right? Oh, you know what? I didn't check if it was gonna spawn the redstone properly. I don't know if it spawned it right. X22. Let's just make these coordinates here. 2, 2, 96, 5. Oh, okay. Well, I thought that might happen. I adjust that for the Y. I think it's like 23. I think that's the problem. Oh, perfect. Okay. That worked. So now we have this, and perfect. It gave me the axe, so we know that works. Um. So the way this works right now is I walk in this vicinity. That turned that on, which gave me supposedly an axe. Yep. All right. That's not right. Can you stack an axe? You can't stack them. What was that? Strange. Since when can you stack axes? What is this? Can you do... The heck? That's interesting. Huh? Am I crazy? What is this? This is stone axes. We're just gonna drop these blocks. Oops. That one. Set this up here, same thing. Set there. 216. Set negative 23, and we'll set that to error. It was 23 here. Whoa. I made an axe duper. Uh, we don't talk about it. Oops. Because, I don't think this is how it's supposed to work. That's funny. Okay. That was. What happens if you drop this? It just doesn't work. Funny. Oops. Lovely. I was trying to avoid that. Okay, so we got that set to air, we've got that nothing there, but we've got, okay, so this is gonna change. This is going to be the TP command. Now I've got to go get that set up. I forgot the command. Let me see. Control EC. I've got it. That's funny. Oops, what did I do? I think I cut him twice. I don't know, I just didn't delete the first one. Okay. Spared players. Oh. Kind of have to change this one, don't I? Yeah, well, we'll test it here, but I hope it doesn't keep doing it. Like, I hope it doesn't multiply that. Oh, why am I getting access? What happened? Because that didn't. What? I definitely changed it. Why is it not changing? Do we have to break that block? Yes. Equals. That worked. But will it continuously do it if we do, oops, slash, so that worked. Let's see if we do that again. Will it, what if we walk on it and then, oh, well, you can't do it because you're teleported already. Okay, that works. Okay, perfect. Oh, and I flew. I shouldn't have been flying because it would have gone off. Oh, shoot. Teleport. I've got to take this off so I don't teleport on accident again. Okay, that worked. Now we've got to get these new coordinates. I think I want them to be here. Remember, we want the top corner. That should work. So we'll use that. Alright. So the X would be negative 286, we'll try. Y equals 66 and Z equals negative 19. I don't know if that's gonna work, but it should. Red players. Now when we walk over here. Ah, yay. Cool, okay. Gosh. Alright. Nice. Okay, so this is set up. So when you get in, you drop here. and this will hold on your screen for as long as you're here. Then you walk up to the portal, you walk over, and I think if I just held here for a second, it'll TP you. Nice, okay, cool. So I think we can delete the, let's just edit this. And walk all the way to the port, to the, there we go. And wait, 5 to 10. 5 to 10. Let's just change this block. We'll say wait 5 to 10 seconds. What happened? And wait. Why can't I go up? Wait. Shoot. 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, that works. This is mainly for people I know to see, but it's fine. So we'll come in. So let's say we do /hub. We'll drop in. We'll see this part. Now we can go forward. If we want to do walk to the portal, we walk here. We'll see this. Walk to the portal. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, and it worked. Now we'll randomly teleport, and we're here. Cool. All right. I think that part's probably good. /hub. Now we have this idea that we can actually, when we're here, we can teleport. But I think we could probably do the same thing with a coordinate TP command. So let's say we want another area going off this way, and this will be another portal, and this will be another portal, this will be another portal. I think that'll work. Maybe we'll have like separate biomes. So if you want to specifically go to the desert, then you go this way, and they'll teleport you in a desert, or here snow caps, or here plains. I think that's probably a good idea. That worked. Good. So I think that's pretty much all we needed for that, except off air. This doesn't do anything, and then we have nothing there, so I think that works. Alright, cool. Now let me figure out what we're going to do here. Main RTP area. Maybe we'll try to build something like way. Goes off the dock. Maybe these are smaller portals, so they won't need as much as big of paths. Alright, so far we'll have a portal there, a portal there. We'll walk in, we'll spawn in, we'll be here, do /hub to get back here, RTP to randomly teleport. Or we could, you know what? We should have a tutorial area. We'll do that. We'll do a tutorial section. So we'll have a tutorial part here. So this, oops. Oops. Why I don't want that. I don't know what that was. Oh, I might have had a barrier block there from when I was trying to mess with stuff here. Alright, we'll have a portal here, so I wonder what I should make it out of. So we want a tutorial world for the commands, I guess. Or we could do if anybody in the comments wants to give me an idea of what type of block I should use to make the portal look good, because basically we'll do what we did over here. Is we did a portal back here and then we covered it with all this stuff to make it look like it was a portal coming straight from this. But technically this is replaceable because this is not the main portal. That's why the glass is here. Um, so we can put like, let's say wood here. Let's get like obsidian and then we could do wood on top and then it still is gonna work. Flint and steel. Like this, for example, we could take wood, or we could make like a portal here. Cover this portal with wood to make it look like it's a wooden portal. Oops. And then what would happen? Like we could do that, and then make it come out more, maybe. So maybe we'll actually make this portal a little bit bigger. So now this part of it, you can see it's like I don't know how I want to do this here. We'll do that. And then just this is a basic idea. It's uneven, lovely. Get a little bit bigger. Now that'll work. I just remember that you don't need the corners. But now it's a weird wood portal, right? But it does still work. And then we could cover this with make it like green or something weird. And then it looks like a portal. It's the idea over there. I mean, it's not as cool, but you know. And then we could be like, we spawn in and we're like, ooh, what's this? And it'll say like, we'll get, it'll say tutorial here. Cool. Cool. That's an idea. I mean, we'll probably change this because I don't really think that's a good look, but maybe we'll make it taller like this. That, and then we can make it like this. Alright, well, I don't know if that's... You know, let's use pain, so we'll do... Yellow might look better. Let's see. Yeah, I like yellow. Yellow looks good. Maybe I'll have like a texture pack you need to have. So then these glass panes are directly see-through, or these lines don't exist. So then you can like, it doesn't look like this, it's just like a color. Okay, so far we have spawn in, and you walk up to here, read the sign, walk to the portal, wait 5 to 10 seconds. So we'll walk to the portal, 1, 2, 3, okay, there we go. Maybe I should put 1 to 10 seconds. Oh, that's not a very smooth spawn. And then, so we'll do slash hub. Perfect, that worked really well, that thing. Now we'll do, slash RTP. I wonder what, I haven't tested this one. What does this do? See, it works. It goes different places. It just seems like it gets snow a lot, so we'll do slash. And I also set it up so if you don't like slash hub, you can do slash spawn. But I need to fix it so it teleports over there onto this thing. Alrighty, well, I don't know if there's much more to do right now, so I think that's it, guys. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and that'll be it today.